What time is it? It's 10 o'clock in the morning. I didn't go to sleep till 5 or 6. I just couldn't sleep. It's 10:32. I'm kind of awake now. Gonna make some coffee and then I gotta head to WeWork. I need to catch up on these videos. I'm so backlogged. We don't have any more coffee filters. Ugh, this changes plans. I don't know where it went, but I lost my tail grip. Kind of mad. That's like the second thing I've lost today. It's not super serious, but still, I hate losing things. Just left WeWork. Now I'm heading to B&H. I gotta get another wind filter for my Rode Micro. Maybe some other things. I'm trying not to spend so much money. I really do need another hard drive though. I'm running out of space. I mean, who knew daily vlogging would come out with a lot of space? Plus it's an old hard drive. I need an SSD. Making a lot of dodgy decisions on this boot support today. I don't think it's just me. I think that is just New York City. Everyone making dodgy calls in the streets. I'm looking for the Rode Videomicro Dang, they don't even have any. Genuinely trying to see if there's anything else I needed. I don't think there's anything else I need, I just want things.
Alright, you're all set. Just take that up to the registers.
Alright, thanks so much. I really gotta stop buying stuff. I gotta start saving money. Did I mention that it's the last full day of the honeymoon? It's the last full day of New York City. It is super windy. I don't know if you can even hear me. So many tight corners. I think it's supposed to rain. I got a taxi closing in on me. Woo! Alright, I'm heading back. Hopefully before it rains. Don't want to mess up the booster board. Already lost the tail guard. On Madison 42nd. I'm like 5 minutes away. I'm trying to hold my hat. It's so dang windy. I still don't know if you can hear me. Stone Street, it's a very famous street. Got a lot of restaurants.
It's beautiful.
You wanna check it out? Let's go.
We haven't tried any like real pizza here yet.
This is true.
We've had tacos already. So.
We've had tacos. Let's get pizza.
Table for two. Inside or outside?
So I just straight up found a iPhone charger underneath the table plugged into the wall here. And I'm just like, I don't see what's the harm taking some extra juice. I didn't bring my charger. Not that I need it, just cause. It was the universe telling me to charge my phone. All right, New York. You know, I'll make some pizza. That was an interesting restaurant experience. The customer service was a little unwelcoming, but I mean, the pizza made up for it. Maybe it's just because we were too early in dinner time. I don't know. As far as pizza wise, I rate the old-fashioned pizza high up on the list. It was really good. Now we're gonna get some ice cream.
Ice cream!
I can sense the rain coming as I preemptively put my jacket on. But also, it's been really windy and I don't know how the audio has been, so I put on the big dead cat, the big fluffy ball cover on the mic. So hopefully this sounds better. It's a little hard to see. There, I don't know if you can see that giant bridge just over the horizon. I don't know what that is, but it looks ginormous.
What you got?
Okay, I think it's starting to rain. It's starting to drizzle a little bit. I might have to put this big camera away. But we are almost at this ice cream place because Tina wanted ice cream, as always.
Look at our boats here. You can on the boat again.
It's weird, on their menu on Google Maps, at least, it said something with ice cream. But they don't have any ice cream. So we just bounced. Found another ice cream place 5 minutes away, so we're heading to there. I will get you ice cream.
Better.
Now it's raining. So I got most of my days with being sunny and boosted boarding around. Now Tina's getting her days, which is rain and gloominess.
Yes.
Which is kind of perfect because, well, one, it's her favorite weather. Two, we're right by like the south tip of the island, which has got a lot of the old buildings. So last full day is Tina's day. Oh God, it's windy. It's a windy day. So with ending New York City trip, honeymoon, extravaganza, what would you rate your chances of moving here now on the last full day of being here with your favorite weather?
8 out of 10.
I think I got her. Maybe a year, maybe 2, maybe 3, but soon. I'll be seeing you in New York. What do you want to do next?